All 400 Ferrari Enzos were equipped with a captivating 6.0-liter V12 engine and exhibited extraordinary performance. However, only one of them was finished in matte Nero Opaco, and this unique, low-mileage vehicle is set to be auctioned by RM Sotheby's in a sealed auction. This particular Enzo stands out because it is the sole one to have left the Maranello gates adorned with a distinctive matte black paint job. While most Enzos were traditionally painted in the iconic Rosso Corsa, with a few exceptions in yellow, blue, silver, white, only one in this case, in gloss black, chassis number 136069 was a true factory one-off. The uniqueness of this Enzo can be attributed to its owner, a member of Brunei's royal family, who held the influence to secure something truly exceptional. Brunei's royal family is renowned for its remarkable car collection and has a rich history in ordering factory one-offs and bespoke automobiles. The car, bearing Nero Opaco paint, a matching Nero leather interior, and Nero carpets, was delivered on the 15th of October 2004, after nearly 4 months of meticulous craftsmanship. According to RM Sotheby's, this one-of-a-kind Enzo spent time at the family's London residence, occasionally making appearances in areas like Hampstead, Mayfair, and Knightsbridge, before being relocated to the Asia-Pacific region. More recently, the unique Enzo underwent a cosmetic restoration by Carrozzeria Zanassi, Ferrari's official paint shop specializing in hypercars, tailor-made, and the Icona series. The restoration included the replacement of sticky switches, front and rear lights, rear bonnet glass, and a complete matte black respray for the entire body, resulting in a final bill of €110,000. Remarkably, this Enzo has only covered 5,730 kilometers and has been long hidden away from public eyes. Once it is auctioned for what is expected to be a substantial amount, it may once again retreat from the limelight. Therefore, enthusiasts are encouraged to appreciate this extraordinary vehicle while they have the opportunity.